Naguulat mula sa shore na kasing pretty ko.
Bringing you the latest and greatest.
And diving deep into the cool waters
of BLs and GLs.
And every kind of love there is.
We are the Shippers.
Sail with us as we watch our favorite queer love stories.
And update you about the latest every week.
Kaya tara, sakay na as we sail the open seas.
With new episodes Mondays and Wednesdays on all major podcast streaming platforms.
Sakay na you. Let's go.
The views, takes and opinions expressed on this show are of the host's own and do not represent the views, takes and opinions of the Bunk Collective and its affiliates. Material and sources mentioned in this episode is for general and commentary purposes only. This episode might include strong language and may not be suitable for children. Listener discretion is advised. Stay safe and stay wrestle everyone. Welcome to the main event, Mark.
You're listening to the main event Mark podcast. Again, my name is Angelo Pinera here. Thank you very much for listening on this very, very special episode of the main event. So today on the podcast, we are recording this very special episode of the show as we are going to do a review of Dexcon Decada. So, as promised a few weeks ago, as one of the official media partners of this event, uh, we are going to do our part here as well. Pasensya na rin kung late kasi tiniming ko lang talaga. Today is the official season premiere also of the main event here on this current season. And we are now on season 7. Again, thank you very much for everyone who is with Dexcon, especially with Martin Vicencio. Also, our friends from Kayfabe Cafe, yung Gonzalez Brothers, and the rest of the wrestlers who is supporting our local wrestling scene, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa pro wrestling as a whole. Maraming maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So, Dexcon Decada, hindi na ako magpapatagal. So, Dexcon Decada was a fun show, you know, as one of the, like what I said, official partners of Dexcon Decada. Grabe. Grabe yung feeling. Hanggang ngayon, iniisip ko pa din yung mga thoughts ko. Even though that I recorded this episode late, but kailangan ko lang talaga i-compress lahat ng opinions ko going to this recording as we speak, and also everything that we have to discuss on this very special episode. And itong very special episode na ito is very important din kasi we need to mention and to compromise as well the importance of this event. On this event, we are celebrating not only the 10th anniversary of our pro wrestling scene, we are also celebrating the return and also the debut of Zack Sabre Jr. in the Philippines. Also, we are celebrating the 8th anniversary of Pro Wrestling Philippines Club. And to us, to celebrate that, we are already having our thoughts and opinions about Dexcon Decada. Again, maraming salamat kay na Julian at saka kay Ali for joining me on that episode of the show. Pero I cannot wait to share with you guys as well my thoughts and opinions about Dexcon Decada. Like what I said, Dexcon Decada was a really, really good show. And to begin with, hindi ko akalain that I will be able to be part of this. Not only as a fan, kundi as one of its media partners. So, kitang-kita niyo naman sa photos at sa cover photo din ng show. Parang ako nag-flex, no? Na I am one of the partners. And naka-poster pa ako doon sa DexCon. So, nakaka-proud siya. Sobrang laking karangalan that I will be able to be part of this history, and hindi ko akalain that DexCon Dekada is something that I am going to be remember forever and ever. Grabe. And for some fans that knows DexCon, DexCon is going to give you, as promised, bangers from time to time. Yung 7 matches, hindi na natin gagawa ng mahabang review yon. Hindi kagaya ng ginawa ko sa PWPH podcast. Pero like what I said, that 7 matches, hindi naman siya maganda, hindi rin pangit. Pero it shows with on how things went out with DexCon, and kung paano nila na-present yung event. It feels very, very good para sa akin. Lahat ng matches na yun was banger. Even though, napakasakit ng nakuha natin hours before the show with MWF announcing their closure. Napakasakit para sa akin na. Grabe. Hanggang ngayon, ramdam ko pa din yung lungkot that we have to close down MWF. And now, we are having DexCon as de facto one of the promotions or events that our current MWF former talents will be competing with. And grabe. So, sobrang namamangha rin ako. Maraming salamat pa din sa mga wrestlers, production, sa mga lahat-lahat na mga nag-cover din ng show. Give the shoutout din sa mga fans na support at sa mga sponsors din na nagbigay sa DexCon. Grabe. Wala akong masabi sa'yo. Pero, ang inabangan natin dito, despite of everything, ulan, tapos, grabe, basang-basa ako nung araw na yon. Buti na lang, may dala akong damit, luckily. Luckily, may dala akong napakadaming damit. I think I brought, nagdala ako ng 4-5 damit. 4 doon nagamit ko. So, grabe talaga yung ulan nung araw na yun. And, of course, sharing with you guys my opinions about this show. That was amazing. Sa totoo lang. That was a very good show. Unahin na natin, I'm going to give a shout out to Zack Sabre Jr. and to the Horrors, Dr. Gore, and the Butcher Man. I swear, both of them gave us something when it comes to this show. And it's just amazing that it shows what they can offer to our local wrestling scene. And it shows how prominent they are. And it also show how important it is to our local wrestling scene. Pero, yun nga, maraming salamat sa DexCon kasi parang nagbigay kasi tayo ng assurance that wrestling will never die and wrestling will never let it go. And for everyone din, grabe. Grabe talaga. Yung pakiramdam na, of course, everyone earned their money, and despite of everything, umuulan, lahat na nangyari sa DexCon, tapos ganito pa yung nangyari, yung closure pa ng MWF, naghalo-halo na lahat ng emotions, and lahat ng factors, parang nagsama-sama sila dun sa, ito, as in, parang pakiramdam ko, ando na tayo sa part na, of course, it's history, pero may kapalit. Yun yung pakiramdam ko with this show. Syempre, hindi ko makukumpara sa ibang events na grabe talaga. Yes, it's kind of reminds me of the show that, what they call this? One Night Stand, 2005. Yes, it's kind of reminds me about that. However, it hits different because of the circumstance and everything what happened prior to that. So, grabe talaga. Grabe yung nangyari, and grabe din yung nagkaroon din ng ganap dito. Pero yun nga, like what I said, yun nga, everything what happened is not our control, and lahat naman na nangyari na yon is hindi natin makokontrol. Pero like what I said, MWF wrestlers, former MWF wrestlers, I can assure you we're going to get and we will get it back, and we're going to get this wrestling back on the business. And I can assure you that our local wrestling scene will return for sure. Again, ito, I want to give a shoutout first para lang magtuloy-tuloy yung shoutout ko kay Linus. Siyempre, tropa natin yun si Linus. So, yun, salamat natin si Linus. Then, si Martin Vicencio, ayan, wala siya, wala ako doon sa event. Then, si Rosh, then si Cholo, as always. Oh, Cholo, really good guy. Si SJM, sayang, di ko nalapitan si SJM. Sorry, sana pasalamatan. But yeah, that was a really good show. And sa totoo lang, grabe talaga. Grabe talaga. Wala akong ibang masabi. At wala rin akong ibang ma-point when it comes to this kind of very prominent stuff that we are discussing and we have to discuss for a moment or for a while. Tapos, that would be shocking if everyone should mention it or should be mentioned down the line. It's very prominent to see. It's very important to see. And it's very important to mention din paano nga ba yung magiging importance nun down the line. Habang dinidiscuss din natin tong Dexcon Decada, like what I said, it's very prominent din to see paano nga ba yung magiging importance ito when it comes to this future of our local wrestling scene. And it's very prominent din na grabe talaga na ma-shock tayo, everyone will be banger or we're getting something about the show. And I swear, we have to support then our local wrestlers sa kabila ng lahat na nangyari. And I going to promise with you guys, we will get and we're going to give our top support for our wrestlers as soon as we confirm. Okay, so let's do some recap of what happened on Dexcon Decada when it comes to the matches. So, para lang mag-progress tayo ng konti. No? So, the Horrors defeated Robin Sane and Romeo for the SPW Southeast Asia Tag Titles. Rex Lawin defeated Afam Steve and Rasael for a three-way match. That's a three-way. So, Main Max defeated David Rambena. So, Chelsea Marie defeated Kitty. Katie. So, Kanto Terror. Or Opa Terror. Whatever. But yeah, that's what it is. So, Jomar, former Jomar Lerwana defeated Fabio Makisig. TZK, St. John Martin, and Ken Cypher defeated Pune Bulldog and Sarah in a World Underground Wrestling Tag Titles match. And the main event, Zack Sabre Jr. and Jack De Leon ended in a time limit draw in this international match. Pero yun, like what I said, this show is very given, very banger. Pero sinabi ko na din sa PWPH review namin that this show is very somber. No? Totoo yun. Very somber, very memorable, at the same time, very, very somber talaga. Mas nangingibabaw yung somber feeling about this show dahil na rin sa mga circumstance that we got a day prior. And masakit pa din sa akin that MWF is died or MWF is dead as we speak. Pero I hope they will be able to come back as soon as we can mention or we can get them as soon as possible. But I'm not going to expectate anything or everything on this show. Pero I swear to God that as promised, Dexcon, maraming salamat kasi you guys are awesome and ayun, parang grabe. memorable pa din talaga yung next Decada. So matches wise, ito, explain lang natin ng simple yung mga opinion ko about every single match of Dexcon Decada. Zack Sabre Jr. and Jake De Leon, easily one of the greatest matches of all time in the Philippines for me. Sinabi ko to ilang episode ago and also on the recent episode of the show and also on the PWPH podcast that if ang pag-uusapan natin is match of the year last year, it's easily not the four-way, not the Matera Matibay. It's obviously SJM versus Ken Cypher noong Republica last year. And now, it's easily being replaced by Jake De Leon and Zack Sabre Jr. And it shows how prominent Jake De Leon is. Panood ko na si Zack Sabre Jr. before wrestling. And it's very given that he is amazing as well. But to see Jake De Leon together with Zack Sabre Jr. and to the fact that he is still imagine how he went to the limit with Zack. It's just very fantastic for me and never disappoints. That's why I really love today's event on that event as well. I really love it. And I swear to God, this event is something that I will never regret in my life na umabsent ako. And grabe din talaga yung pakiramdam ko na feeling ko itong Dexcon Decada, isa sa pinakamalungkot na event sa history ng Pinoy wrestling because of what happened. Pero ang feeling natin, lahat ng yon nawala ng simple because of what they gave us an assurance. No? Every assurance that these wrestlers gave to us, especially with Main Max, Jomar, Fabio, and yung assurance din that pag nakapunta sila sa Japan at nakabalik dito, yun na yun, malaking assurance yun that we will get our wrestling back. We're going to get our wrestling back and we have to deal with the present wrestling back in the business. Pero maraming salamat din, Manila Wrestling Federation. You are the second wrestling promotion that I had in the Philippines. First is PWR, obviously. Pero it shows that despite of everything, despite of what happened, it shows pa din that you guys are the number one in default in the Philippines. No sugarcoating here. But it shows then how really prominent Manila Wrestling Federation is on our local wrestling scene. Marami akong criticism when it comes to the show, when it comes to this kind of shows that they're doing. But what I can give to all of these wrestlers, all of these people who is with MWF is no matter what happened to the Fed, you will still have me on your back as one of his supporters and one of his critics. I will mention, I will praise everything what's right. I will criticize what's wrong. And I will give my best to everyone. And I hope everyone can do the same. Especially to the bigger ones, bigger promotions. Magiging equals tayo when it comes to criticizing our local wrestling scene. And I hope yung mga fans din na masyadong tagilid ang utak, makaisip din sila ng ganyang mindset. Kasi mahirap mag-isip kung wala ka namang isip. Mahirap isipin yung mga desisyon na pinaggagawa nyo sa buhay. But it doesn't mean you are the biggest or the smartest guy in the room. Or mahirap din mag-isip kung wala ka namang isip. Especially if you are one of the biggest SOPs in the room. But regardless, DexCon, uh, ayun, that was a really good show. Very somber, like what I mentioned nga. Ang dami kong gustong sabihin, pero dinadamdam ko talaga yung nangyari. News. And yung emotions, yung feeling, ramdam ko pa din. Especially with the main event. Especially on every messages that these people gave to the people. And parang isang malaking assurance na wrestling will still come back. Wrestling is here to stay. Wrestling will never let it go. And everyone will do the same if it matters the most. And if you love someone, if you love the sport, you will never, never let it go. And for someone like me that loving this sport and loving everything, what is going on with professional wrestling, especially with our local wrestling scene, we have to support this. We have to do anything in our power to support this sport and to support everyone who is affiliated with this sport. I can guarantee with you guys, you have my support, you have my respect. And I am here until the end, or until everything will end. An assurance, or as soon as everyone will be fine, everyone will be back together. Masakit ang nangyari sa MWF, but we have to catch up, chin up, and we will find a future what's in our minds. Masakit na nangyari. We need to calm down, tanggapin na nangyari, kasi ang mga nangyari ay hindi na mababalik at ang mga mababalik ay hindi na mababalik. Masakit yon, pero we need to comprehend that, to compress that, and we will see a new beginning in our local wrestling scene. We will see a new wrestling promotion. Pero we will find out everything about that as soon as we can confirm and we can accomplish. With everyone on your back, with everyone believing what they're doing. Saludo pa din talaga. Malaking saludo, malaking respeto ang kayang ibigay ko sa mga taong nasa likod ng promotion na ito. Napakalaki po ng galang ko sa MWF. Kaya malaking saludo pa din sa kanila. At sa suportang binigay nila sa akin when I am rising up, kaya kong ibalik yon. Respeto din. Respeto rin talaga. Kaya kong ibalik. At lahat ng bababalik ko is for everyone that is supporting me throughout the years and for everyone who is supporting their scene as well on their end as well. That's what I can assure. This day forward, everything will go well fine, and I can assure you that. That's my promise, and that's what I can provide to all of you guys. Sobrang memorable ng show na yon. Ayoko nang magkwento masyado ng mahaba kasi masakit mag-isip. Isipin ko na naman yung lungkot. Yes, nangingibabaw din yung saya because I saw Zack Sabre Jr. personally, pero nangingibabaw pa din yung lungkot sa akin. That's why, grabe, napakasakit. Siguro may panahon makapagkwento pa ako about DexCon dekada, may panahon pa para makapag-share sa inyo. Pero I think there's enough, and I can share more when it comes to the matches. Like what I said, Zack Sabre Jr. versus Jake De Leon is easily one of the greatest matches of all time. I can assure you that. Wala nang makakahigit doon kung hindi yung SJM versus Ken Cypher from Republica 2023. Shows how prominent, how solid our local wrestling can be, and it shows then that we just need to support them really well. And yun, with this, thank you very much again sa Dexcon, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Dexcon. Again, maraming salamat, especially to Rosh nga. Like what I said, boss, maraming salamat kay Martin Vicencio, kay Cholo, kay Linus, kay Martin, kay SJM, at sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa lahat ng nasa likod ng Dexcon, especially kay Elmer, kay Slick. Maraming salamat din sa photos in advance. I think I'll use the one that Elmer captured during Dexcon. Maraming salamat ulit, bro, sa photo, and paalam naman ako sa'yo, and maraming salamat din sa tiwala mo sa amin sa PWPH. Ayun. All the best for Dexcon, and I can wait to see another Dexcon anytime soon. Kaya maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat sa pagsuporta sa ating local wrestling scene. At hanggat maaari, suportahan natin ang ating local wrestling scene. I hope in anything, please support them para bumalik talaga at sigla at masiglahan ulit ang ating local wrestling scene. Speaking of sigla, I can mention here that on July 7, we're going to have a World Underground Wrestling event na entitled is Tagay Na, with the main event TCK versus Rasael and Katie for the World Underground Wrestling Tag Titles sa Brawl Pit Bulusan, July 7. And nag-iisip-isip ako if I can go kasi gusto ko din manood personally. And I cannot wait to see you guys there pag I can. Pero for now, negative muna ako kasi gusto ko din muna mag-ipon. Papasalamin din ako. So, yeah. Papasalamin kami. Ayun. Again, maraming salamat Dexcon for the trust. And I hope this won't be the last that will be part of this show, will be part of history. And for everyone that competed on Dexcon Dekada, maraming salamat. And I cannot wait to see the VOD soon. And once the VOD will be released soon, siguro I can give a longer review of Dexcon Dekada. And yun, on things that went out on Dexcon Dekada, that was solid by itself. But it hits different pag may VOD na. So, I'll give my thoughts on that more once ma-release na yung VOD ng Dexcon Dekada. So, for the meantime, maraming salamat ulit Dexcon. Maraming salamat sa tiwala. And sana di ko mabalik yung tiwala nyo. Pero yun, maraming salamat ulit Dexcon for the trust. And for the meantime, again, maraming salamat din sa nakinig ng unang episode ng PWPH Podcast. If you're listening to that, you can listen na ulit sa inyo po mga favorite podcast platform sa Spotify at sa Main Event Mark YouTube channel. And also, here on the Main Event, you can support the show on social media at MEM Wrestling Pod. You can support the show as well on Patreon, patreon.com/MEM Wrestling Pod. You can also support PWPH on Patreon, patreon.com/PWPH Select. You can support all of our bunkmates at the Bunk PH on social media. And again, maraming salamat sa nakinig ng season premiere ng Main Event Mark. Medyo mahaba, pasensya na guys. Pero galing sa puso. Kung nagsasabi sa inyo, galing to sa puso. And I swear, makakabawi tayo. Babawi ang local wrestling ng Pinas. Aangat ulit tayo. Sama-sama tayo. Pinoy wrestling tayo. Again, my name is Angelo Penera. Thank you very much again for listening on today's episode of the show. And for the meantime, I'm going to leave you good night. Mwah! And good night. Bang! Stay safe. Stay Russell. See you on the next one. Goodbye for now.